Good morning, students. I hope you are safe at your home. So, in this video, we are going to start our computer subject. In this, we see the chapter 1, that is the computer networking. Now, first we see what is meant by computer networking. Networking is a concept of connecting two or more computers or computing devices such that they can share the available information and resources with each other. So, नेटवर्किंग क्या है? जब हम दो या फिर दो से ज़्यादा कंप्यूटर्स एक दूसरे के साथ कनेक्ट करते हैं जिसके द्वारा हम कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन या फिर कोई रिसोर्स शेयर करते हैं, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एज अ कंप्यूटर networking. So now we see the advantages of computer networking. The major advantages of computer networking are information sharing, resource sharing, and communication medium. So first we see what is meant by information sharing. So with the help of computer networking, we can share data or information among the networked computers. For example, railway or airline reservation system or ATM. Second is resource sharing. There are some costly computer resources which cannot be provided separately to each system, like color laser printer, plotter, scanners, etc. And also some of the computer softwares can be shared among the computers connected in the network. Third is communication medium. Computer network is also used as a mode of communication these days, as the multimedia messages in the form of text, graphics, audio, video, etc. can be shared very quickly among the network devices. Now we will see types of computer network. Based on the geographical area or distance in which network is there, it is classified as follows. First is PAN, LAN, MAN, and WAN. So one by one we see about the types of computer network. First is PAN, which is called as a personal area network. This type of network is used to provide connectivity to the devices like printer, scanner, cell phone, PDA, tablet, etc. belonging to an individual. The coverage area of this network is very small and is in the range of just 5 to 10 meters only. Second type is LAN, local area network. LAN or local area network is a network of two or more computers and peripheral devices spread within a small geographical area like a room, office, building, or a campus. Generally, it is spread in the area of 0 to 10 kilometers, and the cost of involved in setting up the LAN is very low as compared to large network. In LAN, you can connect two or more computers within a small geographical area which is connected with each other with the help of cables or without cables. Third type of networking is MAN, which is called as a metropolitan area network. MAN is larger network as compared to LAN. It covers a metro or a city. MAN is used to connect the smaller networks of an organization spread across the city. The size or range of the MAN is between 10 to 50 kilometers. The best example of MAN network is cable TV network spread across your city. Now the next type of networking is WAN, wide area network. This type of network covers a very large geographical area across the country or continent. WAN is generally established by the large organization having offices spread across the country or in different countries. The best example of WAN is Internet. On the basis of hardware and software uses, the computer network are classified as client-server network and peer-to-peer network. Now we see client-server network. In client-server network has a server for providing some specific applications and services to network clients. Means in this network, one computer acts as a server which provide data, information or any other resources to their client computers. Some examples of services provided by the servers in client-server networks are authentication servers, file and print servers, application servers, and mail servers. Next type is peer-to-peer networks. Peer-to-peer networks have computers which are equal in terms of their local resources, and each one can work as a server and a client when required. Peer-to-peer networks should be used when there are small number of users, the network coverage area is less, that is within an office or a building. The future expansion of a network is not expected. The security is not a critical factor on the network. Only simple network setup and administration is required.